Hi guys, welcome to Top Tech Stories today. Abeg una go bear with me, something do me for mouth, so I no fit remove this mask. If not, it go dey too graphical for you to see. So yeah, welcome to Top Tech Stories as I take you through the stories for the week. So it seems that all the tech news for this week are really based and related with the coronavirus COVID-19. And the US is not an exception of the countries that are deeply suffering from the COVID-19 virus. They are even lacking test suits as well as enough facilities to take care of the ongoing pandemic. But we all know that US have a lot of strength when it comes to technology with the likes of Google, Facebook, Twitter, and the other tech companies who are helping out in times like this. So there is an Austin-based company who are using technology to detect whether people have the coronavirus or not. Before now, they've been able to use a lot of cameras and with their very good technology to detect common cold based on temperature ranges and a whole lot of criteria. So they've come out to say that because they can do that one, they can also do this one. So they are championing detection of the COVID-19 virus via artificial intelligence. All they need to do is to scan the faces of people in public spaces, and the AI would automatically do its job to detect the people that may or may not have the COVID-19 virus. Scientists have been able to prove that the COVID-19 virus was not made in the lab. How was this done? A group of international scientists came together to study a previous virus that affected the world at the time, the SARS-CoV-2 virus, and they have stated that based on what they found out, the COVID-19 was not developed in the lab. It came naturally into the society. So all the stories that we've been hearing and all the messages that's been circulating on social media, such as WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, that the COVID-19 was something that was done in the lab or something like a biological weapon, they say that that news is false. So let's desist from sharing such information stating that the COVID-19 is a biological weapon or was developed in the lab. It is safe to say that there is a rise in robot production, and this is because of the COVID-19 virus. Just some few weeks back, we saw videos in popular places like Shenzhen, Shanghai, where robots were made to deliver food items to customers in their various rooms. And of course, we've seen more videos of robots coming into play to help curb the spread of the COVID-19 virus. Very soon, because of the lockdown and restriction of movement, we will see robots begin to do certain things for us in our various houses. In other news this week, Google is exploring the location feature on your phone to slow down the spread of the coronavirus. According to them, they have an artificial intelligence mechanism that will detect people around you who possibly have the COVID-19 virus and will be able to alert you to keep your distance, although they will not be sharing that location information with you, only to some designated agencies like the government or the CDC to take immediate action. So that concludes Top Tech Stories for this week. I hope you guys are faring well wherever you are with the restriction of movement. And until next week, see y'all later. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and the bell beside it. Cheers.